National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Baca County in southeastern Colorado, southwestern Prowers County in southeastern Colorado, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles west of Two Buttes Reservoir, or 17 miles north of Springfield, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include mainly rural areas of north central Baca and southwestern Prowers counties. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing dangerous hail and damaging winds. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure.